Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is more of just a very quick update. So I did a video a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago, whenever it was, about it was Hot Wheels wheel and tire cleaner versus all wheel cleaner from Meguiar's, and basically this is just an update because I said in that video that this stuff was really good at getting particular marks out of wheels. Now on my new car, you can see all this stuff here, and this is not coming out with just a light sponging. You know, it's properly ingrained dirt, a lot of it. So my plan is to basically give you an update on how good this stuff is and how, you know, how it can really be good for cleaning wheels. So yeah, let's just jump right into it, and I'll give you a quick update. Yeah, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to very quickly wet the wheel. Well, I would if my hose would work. There we go. Right, very quickly wet the wheel, and then we're going to just cover the whole area with the stuff. So yeah, so cover the whole area, and then basically what we're going to do is, I've got a toothbrush like I said in the last video. I'm just going to, I mean, don't get me wrong, this is going to take a while, okay? But you can see it lifting the stuff off already. So yeah, like I say, it is good stuff. It's just really aggressive. So you obviously don't want to do this every time, but it's to take off. The idea is to take off all the marks and things that have been left through time, and you just want to keep going around each one of them. So I'll go around the entire wheel, and then so yeah, that's it. Like I say, it's just a very quick update. I'll show you here as well. Just get the toothbrush in, give it a scrub around, and it should lift off. I mean, you can see it taking the stuff off, right? You know, taking it off with very minimal effort. It'll lift all the stuff off. So it is good stuff. Like I say, it's just very aggressive. So anyway guys, quick update for you. Hope everybody's having a good day, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.